Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, May the 26th, 2020. We have one regular Sudoku, but in this newspaper there are also in the additional 5 extra Sudokus, but we will solve first the Sudoku Medium. So let's get started. All right. We have here a 3 in the third column, a 3 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. Oh, there an 8. No 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. Then a 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then well. 7. How about the first column? The first row. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We cannot place the 5 and the 6 in these 2 boxes because it's in one square. So the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes here. The other 2 boxes are reserved for the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3, I mark them. I cannot, because those are pairs. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2, I mark them. All right. Well, how about how about apologies, I moved the camera. Yes, all right. We have a 3 here. So in this big square, we have a 3 here and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and a 9 in those 3 boxes. We have 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. The 9. Then the other numbers are the 1, the 7, and the 8. 1, 7, and the 8. 1, 7, and the 8. That means in this row we have a 7. Here cannot be a 7. This should be a 2. This should be a 7. The other two numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These two numbers of this big square are the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be here. The other two numbers here are the numbers 5 and 2. I marked them because this is a pair. That means in this column, one box left for the 1. The 1 is missing here. That means in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then how about these 2 numbers in this column? The missing numbers here are the 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8. I marked them because I cannot fill this yet. How about these 3 numbers in this column? The missing numbers here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We have a 5 here, here 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 6, the 7 and the 9 are missing. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 and 8, 2 and 8 in the middle row, 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. And then how about these 2 numbers too? The missing numbers in the last column are the 2 and the 9. 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this last row, 9 in that row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. But wait, I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then these two numbers in this column, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, I cannot fill this yet and need to wait. How about these 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6? We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. And now how about these 2 numbers in this row? The numbers 3, 7 and the number 4, the 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. I cannot fit. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 and 3, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3, 7, 3 and 7. In this row, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 place left for this big square for the number 7. 1 place left for this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes exactly. Wow, for this Sudoku, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to notify by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching this video of Medium Sudoku. I will see you later with the additional with 5 Sudokus. So thank you for now and see you later. Bye bye.